Okay, good evening everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can hang the Sharp air conditioner remote control to the wall. Okay, as you can see on the back of the air conditioner remote control, you will see this place. You can hang it with a screw. So you need to screw a screw to the wall like this, and then place this remote control to that location, and now drop it down. Okay, and now you can see your remote control hang to the wall. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can hang the Sharp air conditioner remote control to the wall. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.